Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to the Truck Driver Guy on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed the Truck Driver Guy on Twitter, on Facebook, or on Instagram, feel free to do that. And anyway, guys, this video I'm gonna tell you guys, that truckers, I'm the truck driver, guys. You guys can understand already. And yes, we do make a lot of money driving a truck, but of course there is a secret to it. There is a secret to it, guys. So if you would like to find out about the how to make a lot of money in trucking, feel free to shoot me an email. And it's possible that we can actually this kind of funny, but I don't know, for some the reason of why I'm even making that kind of video, because for some reason you guys like video with money. So I put videos, let me just a second, let me just a second. So anyway, guys, if you want to become a truck driver and make a lot of money in trucking, feel free to do that. And here, right in there, just right in there. Oh, so yeah, guys, if you want to make a lot of money in trucking, feel free to do that. Shoot me up an email, and and we can go from there. Guys, we can go from there. Maybe we can even work together. So yeah, guys, my name is Damien. I am the Truck Driver Guy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Take care. I love you.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Here you will find a lot of interesting, funny, and educational videos on many different topics. Please subscribe to our channel and also like our videos, comment if you want to say something, and don't be shy. And please drive safe out there. Meow.